Talesong 5. Tales of the City. I moved to San Francisco, suitcase in hand, apartment 28, new life, it was grand. Met neighbors wild, stories all around. Mary Ann showed me how the cities sound. We laughed, we cried, shared coffee at dawn, secrets and drama from dusk till morn. Michael's tales, Anna's sharp wit, life felt messy, but perfect in it. The city hums, love pops up fast, friendships and chaos, nothing seems to last. I found my place, in laughter and tears, every day's new, chasing hopes and fears. Letters from friends. Sometimes heartbreak too, cities alive, I grew and I flew. San Francisco taught me to live, to see, tales of the city, it's all part of me. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.